Okay, so this is the solution video for the problem Koxia and Whiteboard. So we have given an array. So we have given an array where also n and m. So for particular n there is n size array, and for the particular m there is m size array, right? They can be vary, n and m can be different. But what are the operations that we can do? We can do m operations such that we can switch the values for particular I. So let's say if there is value here and there's value the same value in here, so we can actually flip like we can like let's say we have the value here 1, and we can have value 10 here. So we can like switch their value from 1 to 10, right? And we need to do this m times, and we have to make m operation. It's not like if the answer is not going to be optimal, we have to make m choices. For the test case, let's say let's say 1 n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 1. The array is m array is 100 and this is 1. So this is the array and this is the array. Now this m size array is having 1, so we need to do a operation. So we have to flip these values. So 100 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 100. Obviously, like it can remain 1, there's no problem in that. Now the 100 became 1, so the sum of the array, which the m array n array, which is 1. So it is the answer. And what we need after m operation, the maximum possible sum of the n array. So for the nth array, what we need is the maximum sum after flipping the values. And we need to do m operations always. We need to always do the m operations for particular array. So what we can have is, like let's say we have this n array and also this m array, right? So what we can do is we can sort these arrays. Both of the arrays we can sort, right? We can sort both of the arrays from the back. Like there can be multiple choices to do this. What the main idea for this particular problem is, uh, smaller values from this needs to be flipped by these values. Okay, so that's what we gonna do. जो इसकी जो स्मॉलर वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको फ्लिप करके हम इसमें उसकी वैल्यूज़ को हम फ्लिप करके इसमें रिवर्स कर देंगे, ठीक है? और उसको करने के बाद भी अगर एरे बचता है, अगर एम एरे बचता है, तो हमें उसकी टेंशन नहीं है। और अगर एन एरे में जो एलिमेंट्स हैं वो आगे बच रहे हैं, तो वो होने चाहिए। लाइक मेरा मैक्सिमम सम कब होगा? जब मैं यहाँ की स्मॉलर वैल्यूज़ को स्वैप कर दूंगा यहाँ के ग्रेटर वैल्यू से, राइट? यहाँ की बड़ी वैल्यूज़ को मैं यहाँ की स्मॉलर वैल्यू से स्वैप कर दूंगा, तभी तो इसका एरे का सम का मैक्स होगा, इसका सम एरे मैक्स होगा, राइट? सो यहाँ के जो बिगर वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको मैं प्रिजर्व कर लूँगा, उनकी वैल्यूज़ को प्रिजर्व कर लूँगा, और जो स्मॉलर वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको मैं फ्लिप कर लूँगा किसके साथ? जो एम ऑपरेशन मेरे पास हैं एम एरे की तरफ से, उसके साथ, राइट? So the algorithm would be sorting this array, and like we can also use priority queue. From priority queue we can like push these values and push these values, and we can take out the m values from the priority queue, right? And also we can do this by array. So sorting this, so we have what we have is like having the maximum values preserved. Also, like this can be a size of this, so we have to then flip. We cannot preserve anymore, we need to flip them. So if the size is small, then that's the case. So the idea would be sorting both the arrays. So what we can do is we can have both of the values, both of the arrays. So let's say these are both of the arrays. We will sort them and we will take out what the maximum value. So we can like make this array as same array. Let's make this array as the same array, and take the greater values. So let's say there are some values here and there's also some values here. So from both of the arrays I will take the maximum values, right? कहाँ तक? जहाँ तक मैं ले सकता हूँ n टाइम्स तक. तो I will sort this array, and I will take the maximum values that I can took up till n, right? So that would be the case, sorting the value array a क्या है मेरा a plus b which is array a का भी storage है, array b का भी storage है, and then the big array is being sorted and the values are being added onto the answer up till n, right? So that would be the particular answer. The main part would be जो हमारे पास m array है हम उसका यूज़ करेंगे, उसके जो वैल्यूज़ है हमारे पास बिगर वैल्यूज़, we will use them in the nth array and preserve our n values for the maximum for the values that are going to be next in the array, right? So that would be the particular solution. I'll be commenting down the code for this one, and you can tell me in the comment section if this was helpful, and if there is any doubt or something, you can tell me in the comment section. Well, there are some better approaches and better implementation out there that can be helpful, but this was my approach that I applied. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next one then.